Location scouting tips. This is stuff that you need to know if you're gonna go on a location scout. First rule, very simple. Go to the location scout at the time you're gonna shoot. If you're shooting at noon outside, don't go at 8 a.m. The lighting's not gonna be the same. Traffic might not be the same. The people there might not be the same. Go to a location scout at the time you plan on shooting. Best rule you can have, thank me later. Now, when you're at this location scout, make sure the proper personnel are there with you. Director, DP, gaffer, client, producer. And yes, the client needs to be there too. You can't just be walking around looking at all these different spots without the client because they have something to say about the location as well. When you're there, you're taking notes, you're taking photos, you're taking videos, so that way you can refer back to all that collateral later when you're reviewing and you're making your shot list, you're talking to the client further, you're making your crew sheet, you're outlining your day, and you're gonna need those photos, those videos, those notes to ensure that you have all the proper information. Where's the crew parking? What's the entrance point? What time can you get in? What time do you have to leave? Where's their power? These are all things that you need to take into consideration. Pay attention to where the sun starts and ends on the day. If you're doing an interview on the east side of the building at 4 o'clock, and there's bay windows, for example, that's going to have a big influence on your lighting package or what you need comparative to if you're doing an interview at 10 a.m. on the east side of the building. Double check that you have permission to be there at 8 a.m., 7 a.m., 10 a.m., whatever time your crew call is, and someone's gonna be there to let you in. Before I get to my final point, press the subscribe button, and if you like what you're seeing, press the notification bell as well. So, all the people are there, you've checked the location, you've checked what time you're gonna be there, you've gotten permission to be on property. What else do you need to do? You need to take your time. That's really the biggest thing. I have been burned multiple times by going to a location scout and cruising through everything in 30 minutes and thinking I'm good, and then finding out that I didn't check the backside of the complex. I didn't check where power was. I didn't have an additional 10, 15-minute conversation with the client to ask some tough questions. Take your time. If you're in and out in 30 minutes, I'll put money on it, you probably missed something. I know I have. If you have anything else to add about Location Scout, we would love to hear from you. Write it in the comment section below. Again, press subscribe and the notification bell for all the additional content coming your way.